Welcome to 7520 Oak Drive West in Theodore, Alabama. This fully remodeled home features luxury vinyl plank and tile flooring throughout. There's no carpet in this home. A spacious kitchen with lots of counter space. Stainless steel appliances. Fabulous stainless steel refrigerator with water and ice in the door. With a new HVAC system and a new water heater, this home is move-in ready. Come check out this massive screened-in back porch. A spacious dining room just off of the kitchen. Convenient laundry closet here and a coat closet. This home features 3 bedrooms with 1.5 baths. The hallway bath features a fabulous custom walk-in shower. Check out this massive screened-in back porch. Talking about an entertainer's dream. Come enjoy this beautiful 1-acre parcel adorned with gorgeous oak trees. You have a gated entry here at the back of the property. An 18 by 20 workshop. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today for a free market analysis and I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, my social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.